Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, as we all know that in school education website, the syllabus is released, the notifications are released, the instructions to candidates is released, and also now the model paper is also released. So based on the syllabus and the model paper, we have made a blueprint for HSTR Chemistry and Biology paper 2. So this was on the request of many HSTR CB aspirants. So here you can see that model question papers are released for all. Here you have to go for AM, PET, GR1, P2. If you click this, then you get the model question paper for chemistry and biology. So what is the website? It is the CASL in school education website. If you want the link, you will get the link in our Telegram channel. If you have not joined, you can join now. You also have the Telegram group connected to that channel where you can discuss with other aspirants, and wherever is needed, we will also help you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and stay connected with us, because we will give you all the updates, and we will also try to give you more content related to your paper too. So this is the model question paper. CB model paper starts from page number 28 in this PDF file. Remember the page number. Some aspirants will just click and see, and if there is no model paper related to them, then they come and ask us again. So that's why I'm giving you page number also. This is a big PDF file of 69 pages. Directly go to page number 28. You will get the model question paper for HSTR CB method. Okay, it is starting with chemistry, then you will have biology also. 40 questions for chemistry will be there, 40 questions will be for biology, and 20 questions will be from methodology part. So now we will not discuss this model question paper, but we will discuss the blueprint which we have prepared based on this model paper and the syllabus. Syllabus we have already discussed in one of the videos, where we have also told everything about the syllabus from chemistry and biology paper 2. If you want, I'll give the link in the description below this video for the syllabus video. So here we will not discuss syllabus, directly we will go to the blueprint which we have made by analyzing the model paper and the syllabus of 2026. So let's start with the chemistry blueprint. So based on the analysis and prioritizing number of questions and all that, we have come to the conclusion of this blueprint based on the new syllabus and the model paper. So this is the most probable blueprint, and this will give you a nice roadmap for preparation and to kick start from correct topics. So that is the main reason behind making this blueprint videos, because many aspirants thanked us and told us that these blueprint videos are helping them to plan their smart preparation strategy. So for chemistry, you can see here for a high school teacher recruitment, as per the new syllabus and the model question paper, the first important chapters are atomic structure, bonding and periodic table. 11 questions have been asked from this part. Then from physical chemistry part, basically thermodynamics and electrochemistry, 6 questions have asked in the model paper. Then in topics like chemical reactions, equations and stoichiometry, we can expect around 5 questions. Then chapters like matter, states and classification of elements and all that, 4 questions. Then acids, bases and salts, 4 questions. Metals, non-metals and inorganic chemistry, 4 questions. Organic chemistry and carbon compounds, 4 questions. Separation techniques, 2 questions. So total 40 questions. So based on this blueprint, I have made a priority list for you. This is the priority with which you have to start. You should give high priority to atomic structure, bonding and periodic table, then thermodynamics and electrochemistry, chemical reactions, equations and stoichiometry, organic chemistry and carbon compounds. So if you give priority to these topics, so directly you are covering around 26 questions minimum. I am telling, more than this also can be asked. So these are the first priority chapters. You have to focus first on this. Then once you get expert in these chapters, then you can go for second priority chapters, which are also very easy chapters, like states of matter is there, classification of elements is there, acids, bases and salts, metals, non-metals and inorganic chemistry part. So these are very easy chapters, and also because they are in the second priority. Later, even if you have little bit of exam date pressure, then also you will be able to cover these topics. Then third priority is separation techniques. Of course, this is also easy chapter only. You can expect around 2 questions from this. Okay. Now I will discuss biology blueprint. This you have to remember. If you want, you can take the screenshot and you can plan your smart preparation strategy. This is done because we have less time now, because the timetable and everything is released, right? So according to that, you have to plan the right strategy, because still you have to prepare for paper 1 also. Okay. So let us see this biology blueprint. So as per the model paper questions and the new syllabus, this is also made with analysis and lot of research in fact. So the most important chapters for you are ecology, environmental science and applied biology, cell biology and histology, human anatomy, physiology and health. So in the first topics you have 12 questions. Then in cell biology, histology, human anatomy, physiology and health, you have 6 questions, you can say, from the 2 groups. Then developmental biology and reproductive health, you have 5 questions. Taxonomy, diversity and classification, you have 4 questions. Genetics, molecular biology and evolution, you have 4 questions. Plant physiology and biochemistry, you have 3 questions. So total 40 questions are there. So with this, if you see the priority chart, first priority should be given to these topics like ecology, environmental science and applied biology, cell biology, histology, human anatomy, physiology and health. 24 questions you can cover with these topics only. So once you are done with these topics, then you go for the second priority chapters. Okay. So first priority you give to these topics only. Then you go for developmental biology, reproductive health, taxonomy, diversity and classification, genetics, molecular biology and evolution, because you have around 30 questions you can expect from these topics. Third priority is plant physiology and biochemistry. Of course, it is easy only and you can expect 3 questions from there. Okay. So if you follow this priority chart, you will also have an idea about what are the most important chapters for you to prepare and again to revise and re-revise. So that is the main motto behind making this priority list and all that, just to help you all in your preparation. This is our advice. It's not that you have to follow this strictly. You can also make your own priority charts according to your convenience, with what chapter is easy for you and what chapter is tough for you, or what you have already been preparing, which are new topics for you. You can also shuffle. These videos are to help you to make your own strategy also. But then if you find this strategy correct, then just blindly follow this, and just you have to utilize each and every second now. Don't waste time at all. Some way or another, utilize time. Go for chemistry. If you are fed up or you get bored, go for biology. Again, if you are bored or if you have more time, go for paper 1. There is so much to learn and there is so much for you to just experiment and revise, because no, this is the time for you to work hard. Once your exam is done, you have only one thing to do. What is that? Wait. You have to wait for the results. Nothing else will be there after the exam is done. But till the exam starts, till then you have option of working hard and gaining knowledge as per your wish and as per the syllabus, so that you can become perfect in whatever you are learning. Because this is the you can say rare opportunity. Everyone is not getting this opportunity. Now you have got it. So you should utilize this time. Okay. If you are a paid class aspirant, I hope that you are in the Telegram group. You can discuss among yourself, and we will also try our best to help you all with more MCQs. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.